In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. At certain occasions in our life, rather, I shall say off and on, we do come across certain things, certain situations, certain types of interaction where we are encountered by an unpleasant situation created by a person who is not our well wisher. Either they were an overt enemy or a covert enemy, but they were our enemies. We did not know it earlier that these people are our enemies, or we were knowing it, but we did not know what sort of action are they going to take against us, or still a situation where we were we were cheated, we were insulted, we were hurt, our interests were damaged, either intentionally or unintentionally by someone else. So all of these situations actually create a kind of emotional stir in us. We feel troubled, we feel unhappy, sometimes we are very sad. We are very sad and we are angry. There is a different type of emotional condition. We are emotionally hurt and troubled. We are emotionally hurt and troubled. So this is the situation which does occur off and on with us. So obviously, we don't feel good. Our feelings are bad. We are low as far our positive emotions are concerned. As far our spirits are concerned, our spirits go down. Most of the people react negatively, react emotionally. They lose control over themselves, and they take an action which is absolutely bad, which is absolutely hurtful, further hurtful for they themselves. Maybe apparently they are trying to satisfy their hurt feelings by either taking revenge, etc. But later on they themselves have to repent and regret, and they themselves have to suffer. So it does happen when a person loses patience, when a person becomes impatient, when a person becomes emotional enough and gives an emotional response. So this is actually a situation like this one. This is a situation like this one. So I think that we must be very careful, must be very cautious. We must actually restrain ourselves, because this is a kind of situation. This is We are at a point in our life where actually we need reforms, where actually all this bad situation is pointing, actually all this bad situation, all this bad happening is pointing toward a flaw in our policy, toward a flaw in our behavior, toward a flaw in our attitude, toward a flaw in our decisions. So this is actually a kind of situation where we have been told, where the negative a kind of negative feedback has arrived, a kind of feedback has arrived which says that your policy, your attitude, your decisions are bad, and you need a change desperately. It is actually there is a we are at a crossroads. We are at a crossroads, and emotional and impatient response. An impatient and emotional response takes us toward toward a bad scenario, towards a bad situation, and it actually deteriorates further the situation, and it will put us into further trouble. It will put us into further trouble. We need to avoid this situation. We need to protect ourselves, and we need to exercise the patience. We need to become very patient. We need to become very wise. Never ever become emotional. Be quiet. Take your time before saying something, before doing something. Be quiet. Thinking, but think sensibly. Think with the logic. Think with the rationality. Think with the wisdom. Never ever make an emotional decision at all, because the emotional decisions actually leads toward the disaster. If somebody has provoked us, does not mean that we should get provoked. Never ever get provoked, because this is a kind of situation where not only the other person but we ourselves will hurt ourselves. We ourselves will damage our own interest, and we don't want our interest to be damaged. We don't want to hurt ourselves. We don't want our situation to get deteriorated. We shouldn't be doing that actually. And all of that is only possible if at all we are quite patient. We have exercised the patience. We are controlling ourselves. Controlling ourselves does not mean that we are not going to do anything else at all. Rather, we will think very carefully what sort of action is right for me, what sort of action will benefit me, and what sort of action will hurt my own interest, my own benefits. This is actually a very important and very crucial points in our life. If at all we are acting in an irresponsible manner, if at all we are, rather I shall say that if at all we are acting or reacting in an emotional manner, if at all we are reacting in an emotional manner, in an emotional way against the kind of provocation, I think that we are then a foolish, we will be called a foolish human being. We don't have to become a foolish human being at all. We don't have to become an emotional human being at all, because emotional human beings are the foolish human being. Because every time somebody becomes emotional, their thinking, their logical thinking, their rational thinking, their wisdom gets locked up. We have actually locked our thinking, our wisdom, our rationality, which we should not be doing at all, we need not to act in an emotional manner at all. Rather, we need to become quite rational. We need to become quite logical. I'm not saying that we have to present flowers to somebody who has provoked us, but even presenting flowers to a person who has provoked us, sometimes it goes right into our own best interest. Because if at all, even if we are going to oppose somebody, even if we are going to take revenge from someone else, I think that we need to become clever. We need to become cunning. We need to do it intelligently. Not we need to do intelligently, and to put forward an intelligent reaction. To put forward an intelligent reaction, I think we need a lot of patience. We need a lot of wisdom. We need to be cool enough. Unless and until we are quite cool, unless and until we are quite cool, we will not be able to take a logical, rational, sensible, and beneficial action at all. Rather, our action will be quite an emotional one, which will be damaging our own interest. Thank you.